Hello. Today we're gonna be playing Knockout. Oh, I hate this game. It's good, but not that good at the goddamn same time. What the f is happening? What is happening? Ah! Hello? Hello, guys? Little mustard. Huh? 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 Let's make it. Thank you. Stop! I joined off here, I guess. I didn't even need to, but okay. What? Hello! Okay, we're gonna summer hop, guys, so it's gonna be a little bit boring. I swear if I joined my other friend, but ah! Oh my god, what are guys, it's here. Emperor. The hell is happening? The hell is happening? What the fuck? Ah! 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 Finally it ended. Get out. Why am I gliding so much? Why am I gliding so much? What happens if we crash into the pigs? Is it bowling? I'm dead. Ah! I have a win streak. What do you mean by that? Huh? When I first have a win streak. When was I prime? Damn! Get that down, buddy. Get killed. That's what Steakwood were. Oh. Oh! Noah, we want bowling or what? Nah, bro, I don't think so. Yeah, guys, what do we want? What the fuck? Dub! What is Sammy doing here? What is Sammy doing here? What is Spider Sammy doing here? Brother, I'll give you all a little. Consider steak large. Yeah, he is large, I guess. Just like me. He's like large. Minimum. Alright, that's it. Little bro's going into his crash mode. I'm giving everyone the Sammy skin. What are we supposed to do for it? It's been no much. Shout out to everyone spamming and going to my chat. I won, I guess. Ah! 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 What the? What is happening? Are you guys witnessing this, bro? What? I know this song. What the hell are you playing? My favorite song. Just kidding. It's not really my favorite, but I guess it's cool. Sammy, they don't listen to you. Shut up, Snake. That's why you're bald-headed Also looking like Creepcraft. Bald-headed Creepcraft. Also, bro. The ice cream again.